Hello, audience. I hope you all are doing great. So, in this video, we will see how to add some security, something like to lock sales order. So, let's say when you confirm the sales order, it means that you have already confirmed the sales order. So, when we confirm the sales order, then maybe someone can change the quantity, change the price, change any information on this sales order, right? So this is like mislead this information. So to prevent this, we have one functionality in our Odoo to lock this confirmed sales order, so it will not allow user to edit any information. So to activate that functionality, we need to go to sales application configuration and settings, and here if we go down, then we can see here lock confirmed sales order, right? We click here and we save, and then if we go here, if we open, then you can see here, let's say if I create a new sales order, and if I send by email, and then will confirm, you can see here I can't change most of the things, right? So it will save a lot of our data to edit and to mislead the information. So how this features is useful, this is standard functionality.